Welcome back to my channel. This is Garbie of Garbie'Signature, and on my channel I bring makeup, DIYs, fashion and lifestyle to my channel. But today it's all about makeup. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this amazing gorgeous 3-in-1 cut crease look going on. And if you're a new subscriber and you're just here for the first time, or you just open up this video and you haven't seen me before, or you haven't seen how to create this look, kindly click the subscribe button. It's gonna be here or here. Give me a like, drop your comments in this video, and kindly share this video. We're coming up to 1,000 subscribers, and guys, we're gonna be off the roof. I told you guys that this channel this year is gonna bring surprises, and I'm actually surprising myself because slay. Raised to power 5,000. Yeah, I dare say so myself. It is amazing. I'm feeling myself. I feel fabulous. I feel amazing. I feel beautiful. This is what you feel when you use the Neon by Garbie's Stack Eyeshadow pigment to do your eyeshadow game. It just takes you from 0 to 5,000. Guys, I did this look using this pigment and I didn't even need to blend so much. I don't want to say much. Just let's keep watching, okay? I've done one eye off camera and I'm going to do the other eye with you guys. So today it's about this creative look inspired by a very popular YouTuber, House of Sienna, on Instagram. You should go check her out. For this look today, I'm inspired using the Neon by Garbie'Signature's 17 colored neon pigments, and I'll be going in with this and this shade. Just totally go to my website, which is www.garbiesignature.com. I'm going to leave the link in my description box. Go there, go purchase this, and you're going to get it in a jiffy. With this brush by Plouise Acid Rain collection, and I'm going to be using it to cut my crease. As you can see, it's sharp and a bit roundish. I'm just going to go take a lot of product so that it has enough build up on its own, and I'm going to go cut my crease. To cut my crease, I'm using the Plouise base in the shade 0, and it's white in color. Don't worry, don't freak out, it's going to be fine. I'm doing this because I want the pigmentation that this white base gives. So right now I'm just carving out my brows, and I'm going in a pat motion to distribute the product around. To help me with that, I'm also going in with this blending brush, and I'm going to go in on the edges first because I don't want as much concentration over there, and like so. Now that the base is on, I'm going to go ahead and start my eyeshadow process. If you're still watching till here and you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Give me a like if you like this video. Drop your comments in the comment section, and let's just keep on going. We're using these two shades. This is from the Single Stark. Going in with the first shade, I'm just going to put it all over here. And I'm doing it in a semicircle shape. Using the pigment, you want to be as careful as possible because it just goes all over the place at times. So you want it to stay exactly where you put it while going all the way into the brow, and that's that about that. Using the same brush, but on the other side, I'm going in and I'm tapping just on top of that same region. The second color. As you can see, this is so easy peasy and it's super fast. You can do this quickly. For the third shade, I'm going in again already, and I'm just blending it all out to make sure that this color looks very blended and put together. I'm going in with the fourth color, which is my powder, and I'm just using it to blend this area so it doesn't look ashy. And that's that about the first step. I'm going in with this wipe and I'm just wiping it off. I'm wiping it off and I'm being very careful. I'm doing this because I want the base to have a clean slate, and so that the colors don't transfer. I want to get the white as white as possible. So I'm using this to clean up first before I go in with the Plouise base in the shade 0 with the flat brush, and I'm just taking it like so. Using this fluffy blending brush from the Jackie Aina's palette, I'm using it to blend and tap the product in so that it's as pigmented as possible. Pre-brush that I used earlier, I'm just tapping all the products in so it dries quickly and sets as a base. And on the second layer, I'm putting it over here. I'm just going to keep tapping it in like so. Because it's the neon eyeshadow, it is so pigmented that you don't have to stress yourself so much in blending to get all of the colors out. As you can see, this is just 2 swipes and taps from the main product, and I have a lot of this going on. Going in again with that beautiful shade of orange. Just 2 taps gives me this amount of pigmentation. Just 2 taps. Now I'm just trying to smooth the 2 colors together. On with that, I'm going in again with a 3rd color and I'm just tapping it in. As you can see, it's so beautiful. You all need to try this. Let's bring out our creative sides like I'm doing. I'm just tapping it in, and now I'm just going to blend them in so they feel blended in together so it doesn't stand out. If you can get your hands to be as stable as this, you can also use your Vaseline and just go on with a flat brush and cut your crease like so. Now I'm going in again with the Plouise base in the shade 0 and I'm just cutting it very close. You can see that it makes the job easier and it makes the base white and clean, just like you want it to be. My wet wipe, and I'm just going to take off the edge because it's very pigmented and I don't want this going on, so I'm just going to clean it off with this to give it a smooth finish. Then I'm going to go in with my eyelashes. NeonbyGarbie, it's one of the new products coming out and it's in the testing stage. So now I'm just going to go with this fluffy brush. I'm going to just tap a little bit, get it off, and I'm just going to go in like so. Can you see the effect it's giving? I'm putting it on this edge also. It's basically on almost all of the eyelids, and I'm doing this because I don't want this look to be basic. Eye as cute as this is, we're just gonna go in. I'm going in with my eyelashes and I'm just gonna put it very close to my eyes. I'm gonna put it very close to my natural lashes so that it looks very natural as possible. Close to my natural eyelash as possible. Some people use tweezers and some use their hands. What matters most is you get it to stick where you want it to be and it doesn't bother you. So I'm done doing that and this is what it looks like. That was like pretty fast. I got it done under 30 seconds. the thing is, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more better you get at it. So right now what I'm just doing is I'm trying to make sure that my lashes, my natural eyelash and the artificial eyelash stays put together. Now I'm going in to prime my face. I'm going in with the ordinary niacinamide and zinc, and I'm just going to take this as my serum primer. And to do that, I'm just going to take this and pour it on my palm like so. Do not ever use the Tipex to go over your face. No, you're putting in germs. So I'm just gonna go take it like so, and in a dab motion, and when it dries up, I'm just going to be going in with my foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. Guys, this foundation is the truth. If you don't have it, go get it. It's perfect for summertime. It just glides over and gives me the perfect finish that I love. I'm going to apply my foundation like so. You can see the transformation going on already. Applying your foundation with a beauty blender is so perfect because it makes it go in like skin and it's not heavy. So I'm just going to push this back a little bit. I'm going to go very close to the waterline, and I'm just going to get everything in. To highlight my face, I'm going in with the Juvia Place concealer in the shade J13. You guys know that this is my plug. I use this almost every day. I've fallen in love with this since I got it. Right now I'm just blending it out so that it appears smooth and flawless. Next, I'm going to use my setting powder to go over all the areas where I highlighted so that it doesn't cake or look, you know, all over the place. It just stays exactly where I want it to be. Next up, I'm going to use my face powder to set the areas. I'm making it as close to the bridge of my nose as possible. Just going in like so. And I'm taking it from the edge of my eyebrow into my nose. If you can see, there's a difference from this to the other side, and I'm going in on the other side again, and I'm doing the same thing. For my lips, I'm going in with a lip pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to go over my lips because I wanted to have the effect of a fuller and juicier looking lip, so that's why I'm doing this technique today. I've not shown you guys how I do this, but I decided to show you guys on camera. I'm just going to go in and go all over the edge of my lips. Next, I've used the lip color, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush to blend it out. To top my lip, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and that is the end of this look. If you watched till this moment and you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button, put on your notification bell, click like, click share, drop your comments, and follow me on all my social media platforms. Thank you for the support and love. I do not take this for granted. Till next time, bye guys.